Welcome to Beautyistic, where we dive into the details of everyday products that help us look and feel our best. Today, we're taking a closer look at something that often gets overlooked in the beauty routine: interdental cleaning. It's all about the GUM Proxabrush Go-Betweens, tight interdental brushes. These little dental picks promise to reach those hard-to-get spots between your teeth, offering an alternative to traditional flossing. But do they live up to the hype? Let's find out. The GUM Proxabrush Go-Betweens are specifically designed for tight spaces between teeth, offering a deep clean where your toothbrush can't quite reach. These soft-bristled interdental brushes are ideal for removing plaque and debris, particularly for those who wear braces or other dental appliances. With a simple yet effective design, these brushes come in a pack of 10 and are individually capped for hygiene, making them perfect for on-the-go use. In terms of materials, GUM has gone with nylon-coated wire, a smart choice to prevent any scratching or irritation while cleaning around braces or implants. This feature also ensures that the brushes are safe for anyone with dental appliances, an important consideration for those with more specific needs. Now let's talk about real-world usage. I've been using these interdental brushes as part of my routine, especially on days when I feel I need a more thorough clean than what flossing alone can provide. The bristles are soft, but firm enough to dislodge plaque and debris from between my teeth. I've found them especially effective in tighter spaces, where traditional floss can sometimes be a struggle. The small size of the brush makes it easy to maneuver, and the travel cap ensures I can toss it in my bag without worrying about hygiene. However, I will say that they are best suited for those with moderately tight teeth. If you have extremely tight gaps, you might find the brush a little too large, and you may need a finer option. On the flip side, the convenience and hygiene features, including the fact that each brush is treated with a hygienic solution for up to 10 days, make them perfect for travel and for anyone who's constantly on the move. Now, let's look at the pros and cons of the GUM Proxabrush Go-Betweens. On the pro side, they are easy to use, highly effective at removing plaque, and incredibly portable. I also appreciate the added protection from the travel caps, ensuring the brushes stay clean when I'm carrying them around. They're also safe for braces and dental devices, which is a significant plus for anyone with these appliances. On the con side, the only downside I encountered is that they may not be suitable for those with extremely tight gaps between their teeth. The bristles are soft, but if you're dealing with very narrow spaces, these might not offer the precision that some other interdental tools could. Additionally, while they're great for travel, I would recommend not using them as your sole cleaning method. They're meant to be a supplement to your regular brushing routine, not a replacement. When it comes to value for money, the price is reasonable for the convenience and effectiveness you're getting. With the ability to reuse the brushes for up to 10 days, they offer excellent longevity for such a compact and easy-to-carry tool. Given how much money we spend on oral health products, I believe these are a smart investment for anyone looking to take better care of their teeth. There are similar products on the market, but not many that offer the same combination of portability, ease of use, and gentle cleaning action. Some competitors are available at a lower price, but they may lack the hygiene treatment or the same design to prevent damage to dental appliances. So when you factor in the specialized features, I think the GUM Proxabrush Go-Betweens stand out for those who need a solid interdental cleaning solution. As for build quality, these brushes are sturdy enough for everyday use. The nylon-coated wire is designed to last, and the hygienic treatment on the bristles is an added benefit, particularly if you plan to use them on a regular basis. I've been using mine for a couple of weeks, and they're still in great condition. In terms of customer support, GUM has a solid reputation, and if you encounter any issues with their products, their customer service team is typically quick to resolve matters. I haven't had any direct experience with them, but their reputation for responsiveness is something to consider. So who would I recommend these to? If you're someone with braces, implants, or tight teeth, these brushes are an excellent tool to incorporate into your oral care routine. They're particularly useful for people who want to go the extra mile with their plaque removal and overall dental health, but they may not be the best choice if your teeth are extremely tight or if you prefer more traditional methods. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.